The beat's vital for my recital. Technique is unbridled, the unique voice and choice of delivery. This is God's gift to lift people out their misery. MCs being bought for petty accusations. Rebel, I assume a battle stance and it's fought with the soul. They sought to destroy the brainwashed and taught to walk and talk the road that might often imitated but never duplicated. Things that I created, developed, originated. I'm well conducted, self-instructed. Constructed. The people of the world, I say. To 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 the people of the world, I say. You got too close to the sun with wings made of wax. How can one man change things and the whole state of manufactures? Yeah, I want a better life, but I'm here to set it right. To the most high, I rise like a thief in the night. My position on this planet is still unknown, but on a mission when I'm handed the microphone. Life is too short to let it just pass by. Looking at the world through a set of glass eyes. I see the things that can make a man cry. I see the man die for another man's life. By the millions, but you don't really know. Coming through the stereo, there's no video with the bars and hip-hop dripping on your top lid, flipping like your ass is. From the rap with the rap on the chest. Of the world, I say. To the people 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 of the world, I say. Down south, I say. Midwest, people in Japan, and all my people down under, and all the boys and girls, and to the underground cats, and MC